guys have a live reaction of this animation video called A Derpy Robot Repair. It is 2 minutes and 30 seconds long, and it's by Yoshi Greenwater. I reacted this content before, reacted his content before, where you don't need dialogue to tell a story. I actually like this creator. He's actually quite good, and I can't remember which one I did last of his. I know I did his April Fool video on the. Well, technically, I'm getting technicalities in there. Oh yes, I didn't realise it was an April Fool video at the time, so I needed to put there were subtitles in the original, and I had to implant subtitles sometimes. Maybe do I subtitles sometimes? No, not because when I download the episode or the files, it doesn't come with the subtitles as such. Something you got to check sometimes. Yeah. Well, let's get this reaction started in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Yoshi Greenwater. It's sunny. Celestia's out. Derpy is reading the book on the cloud. What is that? Okay. Hello, Derpy. Is that her? Is that her dad or something? Wow, it's like a science lab. It is a science lab. Oh, hello. I am Mr. Robot. I'm here to... Reminds me of Grand Day Out as well. Here is your paper. Muffin! Of course! What's muffin? Oh gosh, you've broken it. That's one big telescope. I like the music. You're going to do some DIY robots now, aren't you? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wow, this is like virtual reality 3D-ish thing. It's like a computer game. That's clever. Wow. Oh, I like that effect actually. Is it improved now? Yeah. You're gonna put more muffins in there. What the heck is all that? Is that? It's like a rubbish dispenser. Oh god. Twilight will be happy though. Ah. A robot with feelings? Okay, that was a Derpy robot repair. That was actually quite good. It's like it almost felt like the robot was alive in a sense, at least in the end clip. The robot, I expect, didn't know what a muffin was technically. Oh god, yeah, didn't know what a muffin was, and that was clever with the it was like a retro 80s game. Into 3D. I'm not sure what game it reminds me of actually. I know it reminds me of some retro game in the 80s. I know it's not Space Invaders, but it would have been good if you put like retro 80s music, computer games within, or computer game music inside that particular clip. That was actually quite clever. It's like a mind of a robot or something. And did she fix it just by going in thinking like a computer? And she was actually quite quick getting it fixed, in a sense. She fixed that robot pretty quickly. And that robot also reminded me of the Grand Day Out. Remember when they went to the moon? Oh yes, they went to the moon. And it was like what am I doing? What am I doing? Once again, Yoshi Greengrass, you done it again. You wowed me. You make me want to enjoy more of your content. I might just become a patron one day. You never know. You never know. I had to think about that because I'm tight for money at the moment. But that was I did enjoy that. That was good. Okay, hope you like this reaction and no more reaction videos I do. And I will see you next time. Oh, yes. And